God has given you and me something to help us bounce back in life. Now remember this illustration. You cannot play soccer or rugby with a ball that's not inflated. That ball must be inflated hard. Then you can kick it and it's got rebound, right? But if I take that soccer ball and I deflate it and it looks like half an orange and I give it to you, you will not be able to play with that ball. Now the Holy Spirit in Greek is called pneuma, air. He's the fresh wind. He's the breath of life that gives us power to do what is right. So whenever you feel flat or deflated, remember the Holy Spirit. Whenever you feel like that ball, that all the air is out of it, doesn't look beautiful, doesn't look like a rugby ball, doesn't look like a basketball or a soccer ball. When there's no air in it, it's not functional. When you have got no air of the Holy Spirit on the inside of you, you will become dysfunctional.